Our video today will discuss how to calculate the drawer box width for the series of drawer slides that will handle drawer side material a maximum of 5/8 of an inch thick. I want to put you on alert that there are two videos in our video library that discuss the drawer box width for the tandem runner. This video focuses directly on the drawer box runner where you would be using drawer side material thicknesses of a maximum of 5/8 of an inch thick. The portion highlighted blue in this drawing represent the bottom of the cabinet and the two side panels. I guess I didn't put a top on it. The portion highlighted in yellow represents the sides of the drawer box that you are going to build. The green bar at the bottom of the drawer, that represents the bottom of the drawer. It can be 1/4 of an inch thick, 3/8 or 1/2 inch, whatever you want the thickness of the drawer bottom to be. The bar expanding at the top of the page is showing us the interior width of the cabinet box that we have. If we subtract 42 millimeters from the cabinet opening width, that will tell us what the drawer box that we're going to build, what the inside of that drawer box width will be. So cabinet opening width minus 42 millimeters equals the interior drawer box width. Now, if you want to know what the outside drawer box width is, you simply add the thickness of your drawer side panels, which are a maximum of 5/8 of an inch thick, and you will have your drawer box width. Now let's briefly take a look at the back of the drawer box for some details. You'll see that there's two notches in the back of the box. They need to be 35 millimeters wide to accommodate the drawer runners. But that's the minimum. You can take that whole bottom section out if you like. Also, the clearance under the box needs to be 1/2 of an inch, and you need to drill the holes to accommodate the hook that's in the drawer runner. I recommend buying the jig shown here for prepping the holes in the back of the drawer box and for the front locking devices on the drawer box that you're building. Well, that ends this video. I hope it's been helpful to you.